Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your private key from MetaMask. This process is essential for advanced wallet management, like importing your account into another compatible wallet. We will walk through each step carefully, ensuring you understand both the procedure and the crucial security considerations involved. It's vital to handle your private key with extreme caution to protect your digital assets. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet, whether it's the browser extension or the mobile app. At the top of the wallet interface, you'll find an account selector. Use this to switch to the exact account whose private key you need. Once the correct account is selected, click on the three vertical dots located next to the account name. From the drop-down menu, choose the Account Details option to proceed. Now, within the Account Details screen, you will see an option labeled Show Private Key. Click on this. MetaMask will then prompt you to enter your wallet password. This is a security measure to ensure only you can access this sensitive information. After entering your password, you'll need to click and hold a button to reveal the private key. Once displayed, copy it immediately and store it in a very secure, offline location. Your private key is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. MetaMask support will never ask for it. Treat it like the most valuable password you own. It is highly recommended to store your private key offline, perhaps written on a piece of paper and kept in a secure, private place. Remember, anyone who possesses your private key has complete control over your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.